walking in. Alright. The room. Check out the view. Wow, I'm in luck. I can see the RTS quarter. Great. Had a side table as well as a couch with table. Bright light into the room. It's a queen size bed. Standard room. Remote control for the TV, phone, light switch, and 3-pin charge point over here. That's beside the bed. Lights control over here, and then there's another 3-pin charge point over here. One more charge point over here, and USB charge point as well. It's good for working with a laptop over here. Soft pillow, firm pillow. Oh, that's great. 2 types of pillow. So TV. One more 3-pin power plug over here. There's one more 3-pin power plug over here. Have the amenities, kettle, water, complimentary, and in cups, coffee, tea, milk. Scan to order in-room dining. It has a mini fridge over here. You can just open it. It's the fridge, mini fridge. And you have the bathrobe, Holiday Inn bathrobe. A mini dressing to hang your clothes, wardrobe. Here to put your stuff or luggage. And then there's a safe over here. Torch light. Iron. Hair dryer. Oh, laundry bag and slippers. Press here for ironing board. Hiding here. It's a full-length mirror. That's great, I love it. Bathroom tour. It's a shower. Amenities, shampoo, body soap, conditioner. And then there's a shower head here. No bathtub. Nice round mirror. Cups, glasses, amenities, toothbrush, cotton pads, water pressure, hand soap, and hand and body cream, body lotion, tissue box. This is for shaver, light switch, towels, 2 huge towels and 2 hand towels, face towels, dustbin as well as toilet bowl. That's the overall of the separate toilets and shower. This is the workout room, gym, It's a mini gym, I would say.